Hi everybody, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter Y. Y is a plain line letter, plain line slide letter. It starts on the plain line and slides. So, let's first point to the plain line, slide down to the grass line. You pick up your pencil from there and point over here to the plain line again. And this time you slide down through the grass line down to the worm line. Just like that. Okay, let's practice this over here. I'm going to switch to green. Start of the plain line, slide down to the grass line. Pick up the pencils, touch the plain line again, slide down past to the worm line. Okay, let me try it again. Slide down, up, and slide down. Slide past the plain line, down to the grass line, pick up the pencil, slide down to the worm line. Start at the plain line, slide to the grass line, pick up your pencil, start at the plain line, slide down to the worm line. Okay. Plain line, grass line, pick up the pencil, slide down from the plain line through to the worm line. Alright, back to blue. Plain line, down to the grass line, pick up your pencil, put a dot leaving a space, and make sure you slide down to the worm line. Okay? Plain line, down to the grass line. Put a space and draw the line down past the grass line to the worm line. Let me do one more. Slide down from the plain line to the grass line. Pick up your pencil, put a dot over here with the plain line, slide down past to the worm line. That is how you practice the lowercase letter Y. Thanks for practicing.